Right now, there's a brand new YouTube niche that's blowing up faster than anything I've seen in a long time. This channel jumped into it just a month ago and already has over 90,000 subscribers. And their videos are getting anywhere from hundreds of thousands to millions of views. What's the niche? It's post-apocalyptic science, survival engineering, and DIY tech under extreme conditions. The kind of videos that show you how to build wind turbines from scrap, create improvised survival tools, or engineer gadgets with almost no resources. It's the perfect mix of curiosity, danger, and clever problem solving. Even if you never plan to fight for survival in a wasteland, you can't help but click on these videos just to see how it's done. And here's the best part. You can make videos like this yourself in few minutes with AI. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own viral post-apocalyptic science content using completely free AI tools. So stick around until the very end, because once you see how it's done, you'll realize this is one of the easiest and most exciting YouTube niches you can jump into. Now let's get started. The very first step in creating these viral videos is finding an intriguing topic that grabs attention instantly. If you already have a unique idea in mind, great, run with it. But if you're struggling to come up with something that stands out, I've made this super easy for you. I've put together a detailed Google Doc with prompts to help you generate your own unique topics and guide you through the creative process, so you'll never run out of engaging concepts. You can find the link to that Google Doc right in the description below. Make sure you check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm share this tutorial with more creators like you. Now let's jump right back into the process. Head over to the Google Docs and copy the topic prompt I provided. Then, open up your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and make one small change. Input the number of topics you want the AI to generate for you. Then hit enter, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a list of intriguing, high-engagement topics for post-apocalyptic science, survival engineering, and DIY tech content. Browse through the list and pick the one that sparks your interest. If nothing stands out, simply ask ChatGPT to create more until you find the perfect idea to start your video. Now that we have our topic, the next step is to create our script. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Then head back to ChatGPT and paste it in. Make one quick change. Input the topic number you selected earlier. Then hit enter, and within seconds, the AI will generate a fully fleshed out, engaging post-apocalyptic science script for the topic you selected that's designed to hook your audience instantly. You can go through the script and add your own touch to give it your personality and insights for an even stronger connection, or simply use it like that. The next step is to generate our voiceover. For this, we'll be using Minimax Speech. Head over to Minimax Speech. I've included the link in the description below. Once you click the link, hit Try Now and create your free account. After logging in, go to the text-to-speech section. This is where the magic happens. Now copy the script you just created in ChatGPT and paste it into the Minimax text box. Then click on Voices to browse through a variety of realistic AI voice options. Take your time to preview them and choose the one that fits the tone of your video. Once you've made your choice, click Generate, and in just seconds, your high-quality voiceover will be ready. Simply download it to your device. The next step is creating your channel's signature character. The channel we're modeling has their own unique character that appears in all their videos, and we're going to do the same. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the character prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste that prompt. Next, customize it by typing in the name of the animal you want to use as your channel's character. For this tutorial, I'm going with a dog. Before generating, make one important change. Set the background to green screen. This makes it super easy to remove the background later when editing your video. Once you've done that, click Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a complete image prompt. Now you can use any AI image generation tool you like, but for this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT's built-in image generation feature. Simply copy the prompt and paste it, then click Enter, and ChatGPT will begin generating your custom character. In just a few moments, you'll have a fully rendered character that looks fantastic. When it's ready, download and save the image to your device. This will be the face of your channel moving forward. The next step is to generate all the images we'll need for our post-apocalyptic science video. First, head over to the Google Doc and copy the AI image prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. From there, make a few simple edits. First, enter the number of image prompts you want the AI to generate for you. This will depend on the length of your script. Next, type in the name of your character so the AI knows exactly who to include. Then click enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you multiple detailed image prompts. These will be split into 3 categories. The first is character prompts. Your anthropomorphic character will appear here. Then you have object prompts, survival gear, tools, or props on a clean background. And finally, you have environment prompts, full post-apocalyptic scenes without your character. Now it's time to turn those prompts into actual images. You can use any AI image generator that supports reference images, but for this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT's built-in image generation. Start with the character prompts. First, copy the character prompt. Then upload your character image as a reference and paste the character prompt. Then click enter and let the AI work. Take note, only use your character as a reference for character prompts. For object and environment prompts, just paste them as it is. It might take a little time to render each one, so be patient. Once your image is ready, save it to your device. Now repeat the process for all prompts until you have every asset ready for your video. The next step is to get the perfect background music for our video. And for this, we'll be using Suno AI. Head over to Suno and sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation interface. Since we only need a background track without vocals, select Instrumental. Next, we need to choose a music style that matches our post-apocalyptic survival engineering theme. To make this easy, open ChatGPT and ask it to give the perfect style of music for your video. Then click enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest an ideal style of music. Copy that style and paste it into Suno. Give your track a title, then click create, and Suno will generate 2 unique instrumental tracks based on your chosen style. Preview both options. Now choose the one you prefer and download it to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this we will use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import any plain background of your choice. Then go to Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16 for a perfect vertical video format. Then stretch the background so it completely fills the frame. Next, import the AI-generated voiceover into your timeline. Play through it carefully and start cutting out any unwanted pauses or mistakes. Listen closely so you don't remove important parts. Once the voiceover is clean, stretch your background to match its full duration. Now start importing the AI-generated images we created earlier. Arrange them so they perfectly sync with the narration. Timing is everything here to keep your audience engaged. For your character images with a green screen background, click on the image. Scroll to the options below. Select Remove Background. Then choose Chroma Key. Use the color picker to select the green background, and the background will be removed instantly. Repeat this for all green screen character images. Then you can now layer your character over any background or object image you like for a dynamic and custom look. Next, add your video title at the very start. Go to Text, paste your title, and choose a professional or eye-catching text template. Position it at the top and adjust its size for visibility. To make your video more dynamic, animate your character. Select the character image. Click on Animation and choose the style you prefer. Repeat this for every character scene to keep things visually engaging. Next, let's add captions to our video. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Pick a caption style you like, then click Generate, and CapCut will automatically transcribe your voiceover. Drag your captions to the top of the screen and resize them as needed for readability. Finally, import the background music we created in Suno. Trim any excess so it matches your video's length, then lower the volume so it complements but doesn't overpower the voiceover. When everything is in place, watch your full video from start to finish. If you're happy with the flow, click Export, then set the resolution to 4K for maximum quality and download your final video. Now let's take a look at our final result.
How to build a wind turbine. When the grid's dead, your light's a corpse, and the night is way too quiet. No power means no lights. No lights means your prey. The wind is free, and so is the junk lying around. Time to make the air work for you. First, find something that spins. Fan blades, bike wheel, or that busted ceiling fan from the motel lobby that smells like smoke. Mounted high pipe, broom handle, chimney, whatever keeps it catching wind and out of reach from wandering hands.
If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.